Sarah Me with Blue Plate Rendezvous. Here's an easy recipe for Mexican corn. Get your ears ready. You're going to like the sound of this one. It's not really corn season yet, but I'm pretending it's summer. No prep to these. We're going to throw them on the grill as is. We're going to set the grill to 275 and throw them on the top rack. With them still in the husk, they are going to steam a little bit, so we're going to let them go for 15 minutes. We'll check on them, give them a little flip. They're not quite as charred as I'd like, so I'm going to just move these to the bottom rack, and we're going to let them go another 15 minutes. Okay, pull them off the grill, and we're just going to chop off the stem end, and that knife really should slide right through. By leaving the corn in the husk, it helps those silks easily separate from the kernels. This is a simple recipe with very few ingredients. First, start out with a coating of mayonnaise. Any mayonnaise will do, as long as it's Hellmann's. Make sure you do this while the ears are still hot so the mayo melts in. Next up, Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. Give this a good sprinkling. We're going to follow that up with a little cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not even sure your therapist can help you. A little squeeze of lime brings out the flavors and really brightens up the corn. We are just going to seal the deal with a little bit of Mexican cheese on top. This makes for an easy side, and now you can elevate your taco night. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.